This is the Riverbend Trail at Riverbend Park, which is in extreme northern Palm Beach County, on the boundary between Palm Beach County and Martin County. And it's a interesting area, and it's called Riverbend because it's where the Waxahachie River bends and flows into the Everglades. And the Waxahachie River is one of the few rivers that has not been channelized or turned into a canal for drainage purposes in southeastern or southwestern Florida. But you notice the vegetation is very much a cross between kind of your South Florida lush tropical vegetation that you see apparent particularly south of Lake Worth, and even more so further south in Broward County and Dade County. Semi-tropical, subtropical, and in fact you could argue the southern part of Dade County, when you get to Coral Gables and go south of there, is actually tropical, much of the Caribbean, the vegetation is. As is the wildlife. You have crocodiles there, for instance, not just alligators. You have the range of alligators goes all the way north to North Carolina and all the way west to Texas. But the crocodiles you only have in the extreme southern tip of the peninsula. So this vegetation is very much across. You have some of the elements of brush and saw palmettos that you see all the way up the coast going north to the St. Augustine area. And you also have big oak trees. You have some sable palms, which, by the way, you will see all the way up the coast until South Carolina. And palmetto palms, right? South Carolina is the palmetto state. You also have some tall, more tropical palms that you tend to not see in abundance south of maybe Hope Sound, which is just north of here, about 10 miles north of here. So this is actually a very, very interesting area, hidden area, because you've got a cross of a couple different plant ecosystems, and obviously you have the Everglades just west of here, and actually Lake Okeechobee due west of here, as well as the Waxahachie River, which again is the most untamed river in southeast Florida. It's one of the only rivers, maybe the only one in southeast Florida that has kept its natural flow. I guess the Oleta River would be the other one, which is in Dade County. But the Hillsborough River, which is in northern Broward County, the former Hillsborough River, has been completely turned into a canal. New River, which flows through Fort Lauderdale, completely turned into a canal. The Miami River, or actually the New River, it still flows naturally for about 5 to 6 miles into Fort Lauderdale. The Miami River channelized west of Miami International Airport. In fact, I think slightly east of Miami International Airport is where the channel begins with that and the canal. And Caloosahatchee River, same thing. St. Lucie River, same thing. And when you get even further north, the Kissimmee River, the channelization of the Kissimmee River has done incredible ecological damage to the entire southern half of the Florida Peninsula, from Orlando all the way south to the Keys. One of the most extreme and costly decisions ever made by the Army Corps of Engineers was the channelization of the Kissimmee River. Anyway, this is the wilderness just around the Waxahachie River, just around the bend of the Waxahachie River. So once again, thank you for watching.